After winning his third championship with the Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan shocked the world by announcing his retirement from the game of basketball in 1993. Now, there was probably multiple things that factored into Michael's decision to walk away at that time, but probably none more important than the death of his father, who was murdered. After announcing his retirement, he would go on to play minor league baseball for a short amount of time, but after an 18-month hiatus from the game of basketball, he announced that he was back. And when he came back, he chose not to wear number 23, the number that he was most known for, but number 45, the same number he used when he played baseball. So in hand today, I have the Mitchell & Ness version of the 45 jersey. I'm going to do an unboxing, a review, and I'm going to hit you with an on-body. And we start right now. I would like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by, spending your time with me, and watching another video. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could take a moment out to do that thing I like and destroy that like button for your boy, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Now, when it comes to these NBA authentic jerseys that Mitchell & Ness produces, they have a retail price tag of $300. And especially when it comes to the Jordan or the Kobe Bryant ones, you can't use any kind of discount codes on any website. You normally have to come out your pockets for the full $300 retail price tag if you want to add it to your collection. But I was scouring through the internet and I came across Fans Edge website and they were having a 25% off sale. So I put the code in just to see if it would take money off, and it did. So it went from being $299 to $217, and I thought that that was too good of a deal to pass up because I always wanted to get one of these 45 jerseys into my collection. And it just recently came and I got it in my possession right here. And it comes in this big plastic bag like, you know, any Mitchell & Ness jersey would. And I'm gonna open this up for you. You do get some tissue paper that comes with it, one piece, and I got the white Michael Jordan number 45. BAM! Now, the reason why I chose to get this jersey in white was simply because I didn't have a white Jordan jersey. Every Michael Jordan jersey that I have is either red or black. So, you know, picking up a white Jordan jersey was definitely something that I wanted to do for quite a while. And the reason why I've always wanted to get a 45 jersey into my collection is because when it comes to this 45 jersey, this is a version of Michael Jordan that we didn't really think existed. And when you think about him, you think about him as the greatest basketball player ever, you know, crazy work ethic, he couldn't be beaten, you know, and, you know, stuff like that. But when I think about the 45, I think about the human element of Michael Jordan. You know, this is like the Clark Kent to Superman. You know, Superman couldn't be beaten, he was the Man of Steel, but Clark Kent had feeling, you know, Clark Kent, you know, fell in love, he, you know, experienced human emotions, and this proved to me, and when I think about this jersey, it just shows a human component to Michael Jordan that I don't think a lot of people think about when they think about Michael Jordan most of the time. You know, he had the loss of his father, he wasn't sure if he was come back to the NBA, and a lot of people didn't know if when he did come back, if he was going to be the same Michael Jordan. So, you know, this jersey right here symbolizes a different version of Michael Jordan that a lot of people don't think about normally. And Michael Jordan only wore the 45 jersey for his first 22 games out of his first retirement. On his 23rd game, he switched back to the number 23. So, you know, having this 45 jersey and this part of his legacy, the story of his career, is special. So for me, it was definitely something that I always wanted to add to my collection, and I'm glad that I just did. Now that I got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Michael Jordan Mitchell & Ness jersey. Alright, so we're going to take our first up-close look at this jersey, and then we're going to look and see how the jersey was constructed and how good the materials really are. Now, starting here at the top of the jersey, inside of the neck collar, you're going to have your white Mitchell & Ness tag. And then directly behind that, you're going to have your red size tag, and this is a 44 large. Then on the neck collar, you're going to have that white, black, and red threading. And then on the chest, you're going to have your NBA logo that is stitched into the jersey.
You do get a couple tags here, so you're going to have your Mitchell & Ness $300 tag. Then you're going to have your Hardwood Classics tag. And then below that, you're going to have your Bulls lettering, and that is all beautifully stitched into the jersey. If you've bought any NBA authentic jersey from Mitchell & Ness, you know that they do a really good job as far as the stitching goes. And then directly below that, you're going to have your number 45, also beautifully stitched into the jersey. And then on the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your Hardwood Classic Mitchell & Ness Authentic 94.95 Michael Jordan tag, and once again, size 44 large, and that is all stitched into the jersey. Inside of the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag, and this was constructed of 100% polyester, and it was made in China. And on the reverse side, it just has your laundry instructions on how to care for it. And then we move to the back of the jersey, and starting here at the top, you're going to have that Jordan lettering that is stitched into the back of the jersey. And it looks to be very well done. I don't see any flaws or anything like that. It looks to be in A1 condition. And then directly below the lettering, you're going to have that number 45. You do get the black outline with the red numbers like you do on the front. And the stitching looks to be in perfect condition. I don't see any flaws, no mistakes or anything like that. So for this jersey to be $300, this is the kind of quality that you should expect to get. And this is the kind of quality that I expect every time I pay this much for a jersey. But now I'm going to go ahead and throw it on and show you what it looks like on body.
Now, when it comes to this Michael Jordan Mitchell & Ness jersey, in my humble opinion, I think this thing is so dope. And yes, the retail price tag is $300, but if you ever purchased any NBA authentic jerseys from Mitchell & Ness, you know that the quality that they give you on these jerseys is stupid nice. Everything is stitched, the materials are very well done, put together very nicely. It does have weight to it, so you can actually like feel it. And in my opinion, the quality is, light years away from the Nike ones, so if you do get like an older Michael Jordan Nike jersey or something like that, these don't compare to that in my opinion. Like, these are just far superior. Now, when it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. I always pick up the 44 large. In my opinion, that's what's true to size for me. If I get the medium, they're too small. If I get the extra large, they're too big. So I always go true to size with the large. And, that's what I recommend for you. So, I wouldn't alter or go up or down in any way. So whatever you would normally wear in a Mitchell & Ness Authentic NBA jersey, that's what you should pick up. But I want to know what you think about my pickup right here. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you guys are interested in watching more of my jersey reviews, you can click this link right here. It'll take you right to a playlist where I have a lot of jersey reviews. And I would like to thank you all for stopping by watching this video. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button for your boy. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.